Hi, I'm Jo. Welcome to Jolee's Kitchen. My channel is all about home baking and cooking with tested recipes. If you are new to my channel, just click on the bell button to have my new updates. I'm sharing with you an easy fruitcake recipe which do not need to age. You can enjoy the cake immediately after it is baked. To reduce the festive stress, you can always plan to bake earlier ahead of Christmas because it can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 months. Let's bake together. Stout is packed with flavonoids, a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect against diseases. It is also high in vitamin B and prebiotics. It is timely to infuse our Christmas cake with stout, so we'll have a healthy yet delicious cake for this special festive season. I also like to bake my Christmas cake in metal boxes. For example, I like to recycle cookie tin, mooncake boxes. Here is how I line the metal boxes to prevent burning of the beautiful paintwork. Need to bake for 3 hours? Yes, you will be able to keep the cake for a long period. Storage. Just wrap the cake, which is still in lining paper, with cling film, followed by aluminium foil. Then, place in Ziploc bag. Store in the fridge for up to 3 months. This cake is so rich in flavor. It is not overly sweet too. Therefore, it is also safe to decorate it with marzipan or icing sugar. I simply enjoy it plain, or sometimes with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. Let's share with me at the comment box, how would you like to enjoy your Christmas cake? Looking forward to hear from you soon. See you again. Bye.